You're on camera!
Yay!
Jordan, the reason why there's not that many people in the 2 stories because there's not that many people over on this side. I don't know where they all are. Spread out quite well, actually.
Yeah, pretty well.
Well, we don't know yet.
Shit.
Get ready! Remember,
Alright, you're runners.
come on. Go light, you runners!
If I hide here, I can help you, don't I?
Well, you're a medic. Keep your head down and keep outside.
Near the bathroom. Yeah, but if you guys are
Over. Do you want to go high or low? Come on, that must have shot you off. Wait, pull in, pull in. Head! God damn it!
What's that? Give me your line.
I sort of ass-fucked Luke on the way in there. How many? You should do it a bit louder. Oh, that was a mistake.
Is there anyone out there?
Right side! 2 of them!
Yep.
I've got no eyes on anyone. Medic, get behind this building. Get behind this building just in case they grenade it. Matt, I genuinely advise not staying here. No runners left! Medic! You can either keep him alive or... They're dead inside, dead inside! The smoke to our front, can't see shit!
Too much smoke, guys.
Matt, get ready to get out of there because if they grenade it... Smoke behind us!
Gun hit! You want to get that fire up?
Get ready to defend! We can't move it if you want. It's not really doing much at the moment. Worry about them moving up and grenading us. Matt, get the hell out of there because you're about to get grenaded. You're going to run back, tell us when. Keep yourself thin. Keep alive. Watch out for if they move up against the hut. Oh, come on, I just shot you. Another runner to the 2 story. Yeah. This isn't going very well. I suggest moving back, but I think it's a bit too late for that. Yeah, they're shooting through this window. I think he was dead.
No. He rolled for diving cover.
No, I think the motherfucker I shot him, you shot him. Come on, this is going to hurt when we get shot.
We're getting on the left side, fire through.
Yeah, I know.
Right side,
G's about to shoot me to the, he's on the far left
right
hand.
side.
G's on the left hand side, I can see him in the tree line. Hi! Luke, tell us if they break through again. Mag! No, I said mag. That was a ricochet. Dead! Dead man! Dead man!
Dead man!
Oh, dead man in here!
All dead here.
Dead man! Dead man! Dead behind! Dead behind! All dead in here! I did! Hi Sean! Might as well move.
fucking asshole to stand in the way of the other team and the
Well, not when they've got this many here. Right, walking. Walking. That way.
You know what?
Come on! Yay! Go, come!